best in the galaxy?
Yeah.
Do you love candy?
Yeah.
Do you like to read?
Yeah.
Have you read 1,000 Sunshine Reader books?
Yeah.
Is you see your mommy?
Yeah.
Do you live on Mars?
Yeah.
Are you a city boy?
Yeah.
Am I the best in the world?
Yeah.
Am I the best in the universe?
Yeah.
Am I the best is past the Milky Way?
Yeah.
Can you read big words?
Yeah.
Do you know how to say super duper califragilisticexpialidocious? Like my mom does? Do you know how to cough?
Yeah.
Can you say bye-bye?
Yeah.
Yeah. Bye-bye. Do you have a shredder?
Yeah.